Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix desktop icons turned white in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the icon you having problem with and select properties. In start in you just need to copy this file path without quotation. Just copy it. After copying it, select change icon. Select browse. Now paste the file path we copied and press enter. Now scroll down, select the steam.exe file and select open. Now you will see Steam icon over here. Select the icon and select OK. Select apply and OK for changes. Now your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.